Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G Factory Unlocked Android Cell Phone US Version Smartphone Flex Mode Intuitive Camera Compact 128GB Storage US Warranty. Product Information. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G Full Specifications. Name Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Brand Samsung. Model Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G, SMF711B. Category Smartphone. Body dimensions unfolded, 166 by 72.2 by 6.9 mm, folded, 86.4 by 72.2 by 15.9 to 17.1 mm. Body weight 183 grams. Build plastic front, glass back, Gorilla Glass Victus, aluminum frame. Network SIM Nano SIM, eSIM. Network type GSM/CDMA/HSPA/EVDO/LTE, 5G. Network 2G GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. Network 3G 850, 900, 1700 AWS 1900, 2100. Network 4G LTE, Network 5G SA, NSA/sub6/mWave. Speed HSPA, LTEA, 5G, GPRS, Edge. Display type Foldable Dynamic AMOLED 2X, 120Hz, HDR10+, 1200 nits, peak. Display size 6.7 inches, 101.5 square centimeters, ~84.7% screen to body ratio. Display resolution 1080 by 2640 pixels. Display multi-touch yes. Display density 426p. Memory internal 128GB, 256GB. Memory external no. RAM 8GB. Camera. Primary camera triple, 12MP, wide, dual pixel f. 12MP, ultra wide. Secondary camera 10MP. Camera features LED flash, panorama, HDR. Video 4K at 30/60 fps, 1080p at 60/240 fps, 720p at 960 f. Operating system Android. OS version 11. User interface, UI, 1 UI 3.5. CPU octa-core, 1x2. 84 GHz Creo 680 and 3x2. 42 GHz Creo 680 and 4x1. 80 GHz Creo 680. GPU Adreno 660. Chipset Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888 5G, 5 nanometers. Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/6, dual band, Wi-Fi Direct, hotspot. Bluetooth 5.1, A2DP, LA, NFC yes. USB Type-C 3.1, USB on the go. FM radio no. GPS yes, with a GPS. Battery type non-removable LiPo battery. Battery capacity 3300 mAh. Charging fast charging 25 watts. Body color phantom black, green, lavender, cream, white, pink, gray.